Hello and welcome to Bharti Taylor. Today I'm going to be talking about Zazzle. Zazzle is a print-on-demand platform where artists and designers can upload their designs and artwork onto various different products. I've noticed that with Zazzle they've got masses of products. I've worked with Redbubble, Society6 and Etsy so far. However, Zazzle is the one that I've come across which has a tremendous amount of products available, a lot more than a lot of the other print-on-demand platforms. So far I've uploaded some of my designs. As you can see here, I've got a coral red, black and white Sherpa blanket, colourful circles gift wrap paper, again gift wrap paper. All you have to do is upload your design and I'll show you how to do that. As you can see, we've got here a spiraled notebook. That's actually a pillowcase or a sham. That is a PowerShell Abalone Natural duvet. I've got a candle, men's ties. I think they're really beautiful. These are napkins. Those are gorgeous, as you can see. We've got here frosted mugs. I think that looks really awesome. I think the one thing I love about Zazzle is, as you can see with this PowerShell Abalone cup here, I was given a choice to choose the colour of the actual handle and the colour of the inside of the cup. So there's plenty of choices of colours. Here we go, we've got a PowerShell pillow. We've got a PowerShell face cloth set. PowerShell Abalone glass tumbler. Marble coasters. We've even got a card holder and it looks like it's in a metallic silver tin case. I thought that was quite classy. Again, a PowerShell Abalone mug, however this one's in white, all in white. Abalone tie and some more ties. I've only got a certain amount of designs uploaded so far, so not a lot. But also you can view it on a public storefront just by clicking that. I've created my own website in Zazzle. You can have as many shops as you like in Zazzle. People can follow you. You can create collections. You can also put a little profile about yourself. But this is what customers are going to see when they view your shop front. It's quite nice and clean looking. Now, it's very easy to create products. Just click here, create new product. The other thing is that you can get paid through PayPal. So it's a very easy step to follow. You just register with Zazzle. You fill in all of your details, your address details, and it gives you an option to be paid. So you can either have a check sent to your address or paid via PayPal. Right. So here we go, custom gifts. As you can see, there's a huge amount of products that can be designed and created. You can create anything that you like. So home, sports, games, clothing, accessories, invitations, stationery, art, crafts and party supplies. And down here we've got even more weddings. So if you're a bride or a groom that are planning a wedding, you can have your own wedding invitations created by yourself. You can have them made up for you and your future spouse by designing anything that you like. So you've got wedding invitations, save the dates, return address labels, all sorts of things for weddings. Baby and kids, that's awesome. Stuffed animals, I haven't seen that one yet. Let's click on stuffed animals. We'll take a look at that. Oh wow, that is awesome. So I've got 3 different sizes here. So let's click on the large teddy bear. And let's create a design. So just by simply uploading a image, you can put any design that you like on it. So far I've got a whole bunch of different designs uploaded already. I might put some love hearts on the teddy bear. And in order to make here we go. So I think what you're basically doing is you are putting on like a little patch on the teddy bear. And so the front. And for the background, what we'll do is I think we're going to add pink. So let's take a look at that so far. That looks really lovely. I'm just wondering if we can you can also put on back images as well. Here we go. Let's take a look at that. It's really cute. It's adorable. So basically, if you want to sell this product, you just press sell it. Add in your title, add in your section where you want the toys to be placed. Add a description, product merchandising, so events. So we can put other, everyday events, recipient, anyone, any person, and also tags. Anything related to the teddy bear, so teddy bear, cute toy, it's got hearts, anything that represents that little toy you can add as a tag. I usually just put G for suitable audience, public, and also show customize it button, yes. Royalties. So if I sell this for $52.95 at a 5% royalty percentage, I'm going to collect $2.65. And then what you do is you click I have the right to publish and sell this product without violating others' rights, and I agree to Zazzle's user agreement, and then you press post it, and it usually takes about 24 hours before the actual product is uploaded to your storefront. So if you want to earn some money on Zazzle, this is the perfect place to do it. It's easy to use, easy to create products. There's a large amount of products that you can easily upload to your storefront. And another benefit is you can have as many storefronts and as many shop fronts as you like, so you're not actually limited. And the beauty of it is that it's all for free. It's an amazing platform for artists and designers to create and sell their own products. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube video with Zazzle, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you really soon. Bye.